Hi, how are you doing today? Today we're going to draw a duck from the number 22. Only two actually. Let's begin the drawing. The two extend here like this, becomes a little curves. This is the body part, this is the neck part. We can put an eye here and the beak here. Alright, so detailing on the head is almost done. Now we can do the wings. Wings look like this. Wings has little feathers here, little feathers here, and the feathers look like this. We can do another extension here. It's like the wings on the other side, you know. So both side it has wings. Okay, now we extend here a little bit, and this line comes to this point, and we do the extension here. Okay, the duck is uh, swimming over the water. We need to put little water here. So on the water the duck is swimming. Now we can do little detailing and put the shades to make it more visible, more interesting. Along the curved line we can do the shade. See, it's getting clear and clear. Okay, here's the neck. Neck is little longer. Neck is little longer. Here do some details on the wings too. All right, so let's separate the two wings here. We can show the long feathers like this, these long drawings. So it's the detailing. The other side also you can show it like this. Okay, so do you see the drawing getting clear? This is the back side of the duck. From these shades we see that the wings is over the body. Let's do little detail on the water too. So it's getting really interesting. I think the drawing is almost done. Thank you so much. This is the duck we are finally drawing. It comes a duck and we convert it from number 2. If you guys like, please like, share and subscribe, and tell your friends and family about it. Do the practice every day. Thank you so much. Have a good day.